If you wear glasses, you know the struggle of your glasses fogging up. But today I'll break down 5 ways to prevent your glasses from fogging that actually work. First is the soap and water hack. Rub a thin layer of dish soap or hand soap on your lenses, rinse gently, and dry with a soft cloth. This leaves behind a little thin film that prevents condensation from sticking. The pros of this are that it's super cheap and quick, but the cons are that you'd have to reapply it every couple of hours or so. Method number 2 is anti-fog spray or wipes. There's a bunch of products out there for this, like ZEISS AntiFOG spray and wipes. They work a lot better on clean and dry lenses. The pro of stuff like this is that it lasts longer, like 1 to 3 days. And the con is that you have to spend more money because you're actually buying these spray or wipes instead of dish soap or something that's just in your house all the time. Method 3 to prevent your glasses from fogging up is anti-fog coatings. When you buy your glasses, you might have the option to add on permanent anti-fog coatings. They use special surfaces that disperse moisture evenly across the lens, reducing surface tension and preventing water from forming the little droplets that make up fog. The pros of getting these coatings is that it's a long-term solution that doesn't need any daily maintenance. But it can add around $10 to $50 to a pair of glasses, and you can't really DIY these coatings. You can't really put them on yourself. Method 4 is how to prevent a mask from fogging up your glasses. If you're wearing a mask, it causes your glasses to get super foggy because instead of your warm breath just escaping outwards from you, the mask blocks the air, sends it straight up, and then that goes right onto your lenses, and it's warm, moist air that puts the droplets on there. Here's how you can fix that. Wear a mask with a wire going over the nose and mold it to fit nice and snug over your nose. Cloth masks without any wires will fog up your lenses a lot more. Double-sided tape at the top of the mask can help secure it over your face better and prevent that air from coming upwards, but that makes it harder if you want to be able to take the mask down and up. The 5th and final method is to use a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Wiping lenses with a solution of 70% isopropyl alcohol diluted with water is a great way to clean glasses and get rid of fog because the alcohol evaporates quickly and leaves less stuff behind than water-based cleaners. However, isopropyl alcohol can damage some coatings on glasses lenses, like an anti-reflection coating. So if you want to try this, put a little bit of that isopropyl solution on the corner of a lens to see if the coating starts looking hazy, maybe discolored, or even peeling up. If it doesn't, you're good to go. So the pros are that it's super fast, it works really well, and it's cheaper than buying anti-fog wipes or sprays. But it can be risky for coated lenses. And that's all 6 methods. Please leave a comment if you found something that works really well for defogging your glasses, and please subscribe. Thanks.